Activity 1. Sound discrimination.
Oh no! All the penguins have escaped!
Put all the penguins in the igloo.
Oh no! All the penguins have escaped!
Put all the penguins in the igloo. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh no! All the penguins have escaped!
Put all the penguins in the igloo. Mmm. Activity 2. Sound isolation.
The knight is fighting against the big dragon. Let's defeat the dragon by tapping on the correct sound. Net. Find the sound. Net. Great. Moon. Find the sound. Moon. Great. Man. Find the sound. Man. Great.
Activity 3. Word recognition. Listen and kick the correct ball to the goal.
Ant. Ant.
Awesome!
Pan. Pan.
Awesome!
Pin. Pin.
Awesome! Activity 4. Build the word. Oops, the bridge is out. Let's help Nat build a bridge.
Make a word.
Pan.
Pan.
Pa. Ah. Pan. Pan.
Blend a word.
Pin.
Pin.
Pa. Pin. Pin.
Make a word.
Tin. Tin. Tin.
Well done.
Activity 5. Sound discrimination.
Drag the dish to match what the customers like.
Activity 6. Word recognition.
Choose your character. Matt, Dan, and Finn are in a race. Tap on the correct word to help your character win the race. The. I. Of. Is. To.
Activity 7. Build sentences. Drag leaves with the correct words to the blank and help the frog go to the other side of the lake. It is a pan. Drag leaves with the correct words to the blank is a pan. It is a pan. Sam taps the pan. Sam taps the pan. Sam taps the pan. Sam sits in the pan. Sam sits in the pan. Sam sits in the pan. Activity 8. Read the story.
Sam is in a pan. Written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by Willy Wonka. It is a tin.
Ah!
Sam taps the tin.
That's a fun way to make music. Yay!
Anne taps the tin.
Yeah! Woohoo!
It is a pan. Anne taps the pan. Sam taps the pan. Anne sits in the pan.
Oh!
That looks like fun.
Sam sits in the pan.
The pan is too small.
Oh no! Sam is too big!